Hello Marie, this is Jacqueline from Delray Buick GMC. What we have here is a 2015 GMC Terrain Denali. I'll show you all this cargo space back here. You got your power liftgate. And that second row folds flat for additional cargo space if needed. It has your black perforated leather and the sunroof up there. You've got your upgraded Pioneer speaker system, your memory seats, your voice command controls. You have your forward collision alert, your lane departure warning, as well as blind spot monitoring on the side mirrors. You have your IntelliLink system with navigation, your heated seats, your universal home remote link, your OnStar controls, again, this is Jacqueline from Delray Buick GMC, and I will be reaching out to you shortly. Thank you.